Mabuhay grade 7! Now we're going to talk about problems involving sets. A simple way of illustrating set, subsets, and set operation is through Venn diagram. As we go on our topic, let us recall what is a Venn diagram. As you can see in the figure, a universal set is represented by the capital letter U in a simple plane bounded by a rectangle, and its subsets are represented by two circles. Since we know that Venn diagrams are visual representations of relationships between sets, they are very useful in showing similarities and differences between them. In fact, set problems can be better solved using Venn diagram. Okay, so in this lesson, there are techniques we can use in solving problems involving sets. And one of those techniques is called side to side, where you can be able to solve problems involving sets from left to right of the given sets. Okay, so the problem is, among the 40 students of Section Rizal, 23 love singing and 25 love dancing. The question is A. How many students love singing and dancing? B. How many students love singing only? In our given problem, kailangan nating malaman sa letter A kung ilan ba yung mga estudyante na ang gusto ay yung or love ang singing at dancing. At sa letter B naman, kung ano yung mga estudyante na ang gusto lamang ay yung singing. So, in the technique na side to side, ito ay best lamang kung or magagamit natin ito kung ang nawawala or ang hinahanap natin dun sa ating problem ay yung bilang dun sa overlapping ng dalawang sets or yung kung natatandaan nyo yung bilang ng elements na meron dun sa intersection ng dalawang sets. And then, as you can see in the figure, there is a shaded region or a shaded part on the two overlapping circles kasi ito yung tumutukoy dun sa unknown element. Okay, so in solving problems involving sets, ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung mga cardinality of the sets or yung mga bilang ng mga elements na meron dun sa sets na hinahanap natin or aalamin natin. In the given figure, this shows that there are two sets in our problem. The first one is the group of students who love singing, and the other one is the set of the students or group of the students who love dancing. And this is represented by the circles, which shows that this is the subset of our universal set U. This figure shows that we need to use and apply the technique side to side to the given problem. In doing the technique side to side, we must first arrange the given data in this way. So, among the 40 students, 23 love singing and 25 love dancing. So, by that, mas maiintindihan natin at mas maa-analyze natin yung mga given na numbers or mga data na meron dun sa ating problem para mas mabilis nating masolve ito. And then, i-consider natin syempre yung mga questions or yung mga hinahanap dun sa ating problem. Like yung A, how many students love singing and dancing? And B, how many students love singing only? No, para mas maintindihan pa natin lalo kung ano ba yung hinahanap ng ating or kung ano ba yung kailangan nating isolve. And the next step is you will draw the diagram and illustrate the elements. Okay? So, dun sa una na given natin ay 23 lang yung estudyante na love yung singing. Kaya yun lang yung may shaded part dun sa ating illustration kasi this represents the 23 students who love singing. And the other given naman na 25 students who love dancing naman ay naka-illustrate dito, no? So, ang may shaded part dito ay yung portion or yung set ng estudyante na love ay dancing. By the given dataset, we know that we know the number of the students who love singing and love dancing. But, hindi natin alam kung ilan yung estudyante na love lang ay singing. At hindi rin natin alam yung love lang ay dancing. So, ngayon, yun yung hahanapin natin at hahanapin din natin kung ilan ba yung estudyante na parehas gusto yung singing at dancing. The next step is we will going to draw two overlapping circles kung saan label natin yung isang circle na 25 kasi 25 yung estudyante na gusto yung dancing. And then now we will going to solve the problems from left to right, okay? So using the line or the given data na among the 40 students, 25 loves dancing kung saan inilagay natin dun sa isang portion ng set or sa pangalawang set na 25 lahat yon. Ibig sabihin, ileles natin yung 25 na yon sa 40 kasi ang kabuuan ng estudyante ay 40. No, kaya 40 minus 25 ay equals to 15. So, ibig sabihin, itong 15 na to ay kabilang dun sa 23 na gusto yung singing. And yung 15 na to ay ito lang yung mga estudyante na gusto lamang ay singing. And then, ilalagay na natin yung 15 na estudyante na ang love lang ay singing. And erase na natin yung 25 dun sa set na dancing kasi para hindi tayo malito, okay? So, next step is dun naman tayo sa data na 23 students love singing, okay? So, ibig sabihin, 'di ba meron na tayong 15 students na love lang ay singing. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay ima-minus natin to dun sa 23. So, ibig sabihin, 23 minus 15 ay equals to 8. So, ibig sabihin, may 8 na estudyante ang love ang singing at dancing. And then, next is 25 students naman love dancing, no? So, doon naman tayo magbabase. So, since meron na tayong 8 na love yung singing and dancing, ima-minus natin yung 8 dun sa 25. Kaya, 25 minus 8 ay equals to 17. So, ibig sabihin, there are 17 students who love dancing only. And on our final step, kailangan nating i-add ang lahat ng elements para ma-check kung ito ba ay equal to 40. Because in our given problem, there are 40 students. Ayan, so 15 plus 8 plus 17 ay equals to 40. And let us answer the following question. So, how many students love singing and dancing? So, ibig sabihin, ito yung nasa unknown element, which is 8. 8 ang estudyante na mahal ang singing at dancing. At yung pangalawa naman, how many students love singing only? So, ang sagot natin dito ay yung 15 kasi yun yung bilang ng estudyante na love lang ang singing. Another problem. A group of 25 high school students were asked whether they use either Facebook or Twitter or both. 15 of these students use Facebook and 12 use Twitter. These are the questions. Letter A, how many students use Facebook only? B, how many students use Twitter only? And C, how many students use both social networking sites? We will going to proceed on drawing two overlapping circles, kung saan yung unang circle represents the set of students who use Facebook and the other one who use Twitter. As we analyze the data, we can now start solving from left to right using our technique side to side. Okay, so a group of 25 high school students, 12 use Twitter. Ayan, lalagyan na natin dun sa kabilang set na 12. So, ibig sabihin, 12 yung may gumagamit sa Twitter. Para malaman naman yung bilang ng estudyante na gumagamit ng Facebook, kailangan nating i-subtract yung 12 from 25 students kasi ang kabuuan ng estudyante ay 25. So, 25 minus 12 ay equals to 13. Okay, so, and then ilalagay natin yung bilang na 13 dun sa portion na may gumagamit lamang ng Facebook. And then, ibuburahin na natin yung 12 na inilagay natin. Doon naman tayo sa given na 15 of these students use Facebook. Since alam na natin na mayroon 13 lamang na estudyante na gumagamit ng Facebook only, so 15 minus 13 ay equals to 2 na ilalagay natin dun sa gitna ng ating dalawang overlapping circles. Which is, ito yung mga gumagamit ng Facebook at Twitter. And then, gagamitin naman natin yung given na 12 use Twitter. So, dun sa 12, isusubtract natin yung 2 na gumagamit ng Facebook at Twitter. So, 12 minus 2 ay equals to 10. So, ibig sabihin, itong 10 na to ang gumagamit ng Twitter only. Okay, so para makompleto at para ma-check natin yung mga elements na inilagay natin dun sa ating illustration, kailangan nating i-add ang lahat ng ito to check kung ito ba ay equal sa 25. Okay, so 13 plus 2 plus 10 ay equals to 25. And let's answer the questions. Sa letter A, how many students use Facebook only? So, ibig sabihin 13. And the second question is, how many students use Twitter only? So, ibig sabihin, ito ay 10. And the last one is, how many students use both social networking sites? So, ibig sabihin, 2. Okay, so kailangan nating tandaan na sa paggamit ng technique na side-to-side, kailangan ang hinahanap dun sa problem ay yung unknown element na nasa center ng dalawang overlapping circles. And that's all for today. Thank you and God bless students. Goodbye!